Want your gaming rig to turn heads and run cool? Then you need a case that looks stunning and performs flawlessly. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best transparent PC gaming cases that combine striking aesthetics with practical design. Let's dive in. Number 5 on our list is the Darkflash DB330M transparent PC gaming case. The Darkflash DB330M transparent PC gaming case is designed to showcase your hardware with a stunning 270-degree panoramic view thanks to its innovative A-pillar-free chassis. This design removes traditional structural barriers, allowing you to fully display your gaming components and easily create an immersive gaming atmosphere. Built for efficient cooling, the case supports a 240mm liquid cooler and can accommodate high-tower air coolers up to 180mm in height. The top cover features a dust net for clean airflow, and the tool-free removable left and right panels provide easy access, ensuring a smooth and convenient experience when assembling or upgrading your system. Heat management is optimized through natural vertical air ducts that promote efficient heat dissipation by following the natural rise of warm air within the case. This design helps maintain optimal temperatures and system stability during intense gaming sessions. Compatibility is another strength of the DB330M, supporting MATX and ITX motherboards to cater to a variety of user hardware preferences. The case also includes a standard hard disk cage and space for standard-sized power supplies, allowing flexibility for different storage and power configurations. Overall, the Darkflash DB330M merges practical cooling solutions with a visually striking transparent design, making it a versatile choice for gamers who want both style and performance in their PC build. Number 4 is the Redragon GC218M transparent PC gaming case. The Redragon GC218M transparent PC gaming case offers a sleek and functional design tailored to meet the needs of gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. Its standout feature is the spacious, transparent side panel that proudly showcases your internal components, giving your build a visually striking appearance. This case brings convenience to the forefront by integrating a multifunction I/O station, making device connectivity and management straightforward and efficient. With easy access to essential ports, it streamlines both gaming sessions and daily computing tasks. Flexibility is a key element in the design of the GC218M. It supports power supplies up to 250mm in height, which allows compatibility with a wide range of PSU models, whether mounted at the back or installed in a standard configuration. This adaptability means builders have more freedom in selecting components that best suit their performance needs and build style. The case's thoughtful layout provides ample room for cooling solutions, enhancing airflow to keep your system running smoothly under load. Its construction focuses on both aesthetics and functionality, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a balance of style, convenience, and versatility. The Redragon GC218M is well equipped to handle the demands of modern gaming and computing, making it a valuable asset for those looking to build or upgrade their PC with a case that combines transparency and practical features. Coming in at number 3 is the Pado YL transparent PC gaming case. The Pado YL transparent PC gaming case stands out as a versatile and thoughtfully designed chassis tailored for gaming enthusiasts and DIY builders who value both aesthetics and performance. One of its most notable features is the impressive cooling capability. The case can accommodate up to 7 120mm fans distributed strategically, 2 at the top, 2 on the sidewalls, 2 at the bottom, and 1 at the rear. This arrangement creates a comprehensive airflow system, ensuring optimal cooling during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The case offers flexibility in cooling solutions with support for a 240mm radiator installation at the top and a 120mm radiator at the rear, allowing users to build effective liquid cooling setup. This helps maintain stable system temperatures and enhances overall performance by creating a well-organized heat dissipation channel. Complementing the cooling design, the iron side panel includes multiple ventilation holes, promoting efficient airflow and contributing to better thermal management. In terms of build design, the Pado YL features multi-sided removable panels, including an iron side panel and double-sided tempered glass, giving users easy access for maintenance and upgrades. The double-sided glass panels are particularly remarkable with their 270-degree A-pillar-free design, offering a wide and transparent view of the internal components. This pillar-free structure not only maximizes visibility, but also adds an ornamental appeal that enhances the esports and gaming atmosphere of any setup. The 270-degree glass display, coupled with the MATX Sea-View room layout, provides a sleek and spacious interior, ideal for showcasing high-end components and custom builds. This open and clear design encourages creativity and adds to the overall immersive experience for gamers and PC builders alike. Overall, the Pado YL transparent PC gaming case combines practical cooling solutions with a modern, visually striking design, making it a compelling choice for those who want to blend form and function in their gaming rigs. Number 2 is the Powertrain X-Gamerx transparent PC gaming case. The Powertrain X-Gamerx transparent PC gaming case represents a bold leap in gaming chassis design, inspired by the sleek lines and dynamic spirit of supercars. This innovative case brings a fresh aesthetic trend to the forefront, introducing the first-ever gull-wing dual-door design in PC cases. The unique doors open outward, reminiscent of iconic supercar wings, merging automotive elegance with cutting-edge computer hardware presentation. The chassis itself embodies the essence of supercar DNA, meticulously crafted to integrate aerodynamic and stylish elements that captivate at first glance. This design philosophy extends beyond mere appearance. It influences the entire structure, creating a harmonious blend of form and function that appeals to gamers who appreciate both performance and visual flair. One of the standout features of the Powertrain X-Gamerx is its exclusive IP image tailored for the LCD version, offering users more options for customization and installation flexibility. This allows gamers to personalize their setup, elevating the gaming experience through a more engaging and immersive environment. Visually, the case dazzles with radiant and colorful lighting that plays with light and shadow from multiple angles, enhancing the overall ambiance. The 360-degree panoramic curved glass panels provide an unobstructed view of the internal components, giving users a comprehensive showcase of their hardware. This high level of transparency is complemented by a floating fan frame design, which not only increases visibility but also adds a sense of depth and dimension within the case. Overall, the Powertrain X-Gamerx transparent PC gaming case stands as a statement piece for enthusiasts who want their rig to reflect speed, sophistication, and modern style, all while embracing versatility and luminous artistry. It invites gamers to explore new configurations and lighting effects, making it an exceptional choice for those seeking a unique and dynamic chassis. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Lianli PC-O11 transparent PC gaming case. The Lianli PC-O11 transparent PC gaming case brings a refined blend of style and functionality, offered in 2 distinct colors, sleek black and pristine white. The black edition features tinted tempered glass panels, while the white version boasts clear tempered glass panels complemented by matching grommets, thumb screws, and brackets, creating a harmonious aesthetic tailored to different preferences. Crafted with an aluminum frame coated in elegant white powder, the case showcases brushed aluminum finishes along with white silkscreen details on the outer and inner corners. The tempered glass panels are thoughtfully designed 3 mm thick on top and 4 mm on the side and front, providing both durability and a crystal-clear view into the heart of the system. Users can effortlessly swap between mesh and glass panels, allowing for customization that balances airflow and visual appeal. A standout feature of the PC-O11 Transparent is its reversible bracket on the side radiator mount. This bracket can be removed by loosening a single thumb screw, facilitating easy installation of radiators and fans. Moreover, the ability to reinstall the bracket in reverse orientation adds flexibility for varied cooling configurations, accommodating diverse build styles and preferences. The O11 Vision Compact variant elevates the design further with unique swappable top panels and a concealed AIO tubing layout, resulting in a clean and sophisticated appearance. This model enhances hardware visibility while maintaining an uncluttered presentation, perfect for those who want to showcase their high-end components. Overall, the Lianli PC-O11 Transparent PC Gaming Case combines premium materials, thoughtful design features, and customizable options to cater to gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for both beauty and function in their setups.